Save that tooth or teeth by considering this herbal formula. Clove herbal tooth powder. Yes, clove has a bioactive compound called eugenol. Eugenol works to kill bacteria like Streptococcus mutans that cause tooth decay. It also has analgesic effects that numb tooth pain. It also has anti-inflammatory effects that reduces gum inflammation. Join me as I formulate this clove herbal tooth powder for your permanent relief. Now we have to measure 10 grams of calcium carbonate, we turn this into our bowl. We'll measure 5 grams of baking soda, okay, it is 53 here. We measure 2 grams of kaolin clay, that's 55. Next, we measure sodium cocaine glutamate, our foaming agent, 4 grams. This I will also turn it. Now we measure our herbal ingredients, the clove powder. I will measure 1 gram of this. I add it up. Now I will blend all the powders together. This will relieve you the tooth pain you've been suffering. It will relieve you the burden of going to remove your teeth and give you your teeth gum, excellent and the healthy look. Give this a trial at home. Within 2 minutes, you are done producing your clove herbal tooth powder for your total relief of toothache, even the cavities you experience therein in your teeth. If this is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so that this video will reach those in pain. Bye.